So today we're going to be talking about is the possibility of Elon actually exploding the crypto space with NFTs, with crypto in general, all using his Neuralink software. Now this is a crazy speculation video, but I thought it was really interesting to make because a lot of people have been talking about this, and it was brought to my attention, so I figured I'd make a video about it and talk to you guys, because this will literally blow your mind. If this ever comes into fruition, this could literally change the whole crypto space. So we're going to talk about that in today's video. So if you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. I'll post there daily with plays and certain stuff that you can do to make money, and also join my Discord. Literally, we're giving out tokens now that literally are doing airdrops, which an airdrop gives you free coins. There was one called in my chat the other day that gave you $150 free in their token, which at peak all-time highs was worth like $5,000, and that was literally free just for joining. And if you struggle with investing and you don't know which coins to get in, I do all the hard work for you, and my friends do too. We call out coins every single day, like a 10, 20, 30x. I'm about to get in one literally right after this video and think like 15 minutes that I see a lot of potential in. So if you guys want to be early to all this stuff, definitely check out my website down below. Get in while you can, because I'm raising the price in a couple days. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So like NFTs, we have altcoins, right? You know, the NFT wave was really big for like a month, and then it kind of died down, and now it's just chilling. People are still doing the NFT things. People are still buying crazy art pieces, but NFTs are pretty much like, I don't know, like a Fortnite skin or a Call of Duty skin or something like that. It's just digital art that you can keep, that you can put. Now they have apps where you can use them in public. Like for instance, right now, I could literally put my NFT on this table right here. That's kind of how it's working now. And I heard a crazy theory the other day about Elon Musk and his Neuralink software. Now, some people can say this is reaching, some people can say it's not, but like you guys know, I make a lot of theory videos, speculation videos, and just news videos in general, and I thought this was a crazy idea that I kind of wanted to bring to you guys and let you guys know and see what I'm thinking, and also get your feedback. So with Neuralink, as you guys know, or if you may not know, he's basically going to make a microchip that will be implemented into your brain, under your skull, and you'll be able to do a lot of things to there. You'll be able to type on keyboards, use computers. It can cure diseases. It can cure this, that, and the third. Absolute crazy software that Elon's doing. And his most recent experience was on a monkey, and he literally played a video game with his mind. It was absolutely crazy. So I wanted to talk about the future of crypto and what this could possibly mean. Like, everybody knows Elon Musk as the crypto guy. Literally, that's all he's been doing recently, is talking about dog coin, Shiba Inu. We all know that, but I thought it'd be really interesting to talk about the possibility of NFTs actually becoming a part of the Neuralink software. Now, like I said, none of this is confirmed. Literally, none of this is confirmed. It's all speculation, but it's a cool theory, and I wanted to talk about it. So picture 10 years down the line, we have everybody's using crypto. Like, as you guys know, it's already starting to go in that direction. For instance, Las Vegas was the newest place. They had a Resort World casino that takes crypto, and it's very crypto influenced there. Say 10 years down the line, or 5 years, 10 years, we are like a crypto enforced world. Everybody's using crypto for this, that, and the third. It's very normal at this point. And say the Neuralink is done and you can get it. You can choose to get this microchip in your brain. And for instance, you could get like NFTs or something, and you could see them with your mind and not have it on your phone. Or you could do digital payments with the stuff that's in your brain. I mean, that's what it's going to come down to. That's literally what he said that Neuralink will be able to do in the future. And I just wanted to talk about if that ever happened. Like, it was just such a crazy, bizarre theory I had to make a video on. Like, if that ever happened, you know how crazy that would blow up the NFT market. Or if something similar, who knows, 5 years down the line, there might be something better than NFTs, but something like very similar to that would be absolutely nuts. Like, think about having a Batman NFT or something like that, and you literally can see it walking with you. Like, I'm walking right now, and I literally can see it wherever I'm looking, like almost like you have Google glasses on or something. It would be absolutely crazy. It's really interesting to speculate on this stuff like this, because who wins in this world? Forward thinkers, people that think in the future, think outside the box, this, that, and the third. If you start really thinking about how 5 to 10 years in the crypto space can look just in general without the Neuralink, and then think about it with the Neuralink, I mean, it's absolutely crazy. I mean, there are people in the world right now that are getting microchipped in their hands, literally getting microchipped in their hands for their work. And you could buy stuff out of vending machines, this, that, and the third. I've not made a video on Neuralink before, but I figured it was an interesting tie-in with, you know, the whole crypto thing, because, you know, if Elon's behind it, it's definitely gonna have some crypto influence, especially if crypto's as big as I think it will be in 5 to 10 years. So I don't know, crazy video, I know, bizarre title, bizarre thumbnail, bizarre topic, but I just wanted to talk about it and get your feedback. Let me know any theories that you have in the comment section below, because I think these videos are really interesting to watch, even though they're so out of the whim, you know what I mean? But it could be cool, you know what I mean? If this actually comes to fruition, this could be absolutely crazy. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram if you want daily plays, and as well as check out my Discord down below, because if you struggle with coins and you don't know what to invest in, I'm your guy. I do all of it for you, and I literally literally got to get off this right now because I got to go get on this new play that we're about to call out. So check that out. I love you all so much. I'll see you on the next video.